the hidden world of the trapdoor spider, a master of disguise and a marvel of nature's engineering. Today, I'm diving deep into the lives of these incredible creatures, so stick around to uncover the secrets of their unique lifestyle. First off, what exactly is a trapdoor spider? Unlike their web-spinning cousins, these spiders are ground dwellers known for their remarkable burrowing skills. They construct intricate burrows lined with silk, topped off with a camouflaged trapdoor from which they launch surprise attacks on unsuspecting prey. Where do these amazing spiders live, you ask? They're found across the globe, from the dense forests to arid deserts. They thrive in environments that support their burrowing habits, where they can easily dig and stay concealed. Now, despite their fearsome hunting strategy, trapdoor spiders are relatively harmless to humans. Their venom isn't potent enough to cause more than minor discomfort, and they prefer to avoid us rather than confront us. Diet-wise, these spiders aren't picky eaters. They primarily feast on insects and other small invertebrates, using their finely tuned senses to detect vibrations around their burrows. This allows them to snatch up a meal with lightning speed. Let's talk longevity. Trapdoor spiders can live up to 20 years, a testament to their resilient lifestyle. Females outlive males, who after mating often meet their demise. It's a tough world out there. Examining their physical traits, these spiders range in size and have a sturdy, hairy body suited for their digging lifestyle. They might not win any beauty contests, but their robust fangs and strong legs make them formidable hunters. But are they intelligent? Well, if architectural skills are anything to go by, yes. The construction of their burrows and the strategic placement of their trapdoors suggest a level of cognitive ability that's quite impressive for spiders. Their unique name comes from their signature trapdoors, a feature that distinguishes them from other spiders. This not only aids in hunting, but also protects them from predators and environmental elements. Quite the clever design, wouldn't you say? In conclusion, trapdoor spiders are a fascinating example of adaptation and survival. They might be lurking right beneath our feet, yet their secretive nature and unique lifestyle continue to intrigue and inspire those lucky enough to study them. So next time you're out in nature, tread lightly. You might just be walking over the home of one of nature's most ingenious architects. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of trapdoor spiders. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the natural world.
Another one.